A lot of people ask me, how do I know when to quit my current job and start my own business? And I remembered a couple of months after I left Shell many years ago, some colleagues in Shell were asking Ogbo, how did you find the courage to leave your job and go start a business? Well, I can answer this by telling you a story, true story. I remember then, that was about my mid-20s. I must have been about 27 at the time. And I went to the local market and, the women selling pepper, tomatoes and all that, were hailing me. They were calling me and they said, they were calling me, oh, daddy, come and buy. Daddy, come and buy. So when I got back, I looked at myself at 26, 27, and people were calling me daddy, and I wasn't even married. I knew it was time to get married, and I promptly did the needful. So I think for you, when the time is on you, you would know. There's never going to be a time that everything is going to be perfect, and then you know that that's the time to quit and start a business or go with whatever your dream is. Okay, so are people calling you daddy? Even though you're not married yet. So maybe that's about the time to quit and pursue your dream, because time isn't waiting for you. In the next 5 years, I know people who have been planning to quit for the past 5-10 years to pursue their dream. They're in a job they don't like, working with people that they don't like. And so maybe that's about time. In the meantime, keep showing up, because you never know what's next. Have a wonderful day.